Alright guys, what's up? Not much, as you can see, getting the car back together, but today's project is this back plate. So bumper is just temporarily sitting on, not really bolted in. Same thing with the headlights, those are just temporary and not bolted in or anything, so they might fall out. Just a disclaimer, they're not bolted in. So I guess let's see here. So this piece, as you can see, this nice painted blue piece goes back here, but we don't want to cut a 4-inch hole in that because that's expensive and they're hard to find. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a back plate on the back of this to kind of cover all this up, and I might paint it. I don't know if you guys, I don't know, post in the comments or something. Do you think I should paint it blue or if I should just paint it black, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. But the plan is make a metal sheet that goes across here so we don't have to cut a hole in that because that's really expensive and I'd like to keep that. So what I did so far is I made a template just out of some cardboard just to simplify things, but this should slide in here like that. So if we make our template on one side, realistically, if you flip it, it'll work on the other side too. So I guess I got some sheet metal over here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. I guess I'll cut a piece of sheet metal out. Yeah, so let's go ahead and cut the sheet metal out and let's go ahead and toss it up. And we'll see what we're gonna do because I've never made this before, so we'll wing it. All right, let's keep rolling. All right, so we cut out our metal to match our template. And guess what? Did it slide in there? Perfect, look at that. Dang, bro, look at that template skills, man. That's what I'm talking about. All right, it ain't in on that side, but as you can see here, the bumper has a little curve to it. So we're gonna have to get that curve in because this piece is straight. And then let's see here. Actually, let's pick this up. I don't want that to fall. But as you see, this piece attaches. This thing attaches with like some push-in screws. I guess they're like recessed in, and then there's a nut on the back side, and then that hole goes through one of those holes down there. So we're gonna try to attach this the same way. So I got some bolts, and what I'm gonna do is probably just tack weld on the bolts so then they stick through like that. So then you can put nuts on and install it the same OEM way. So yeah, let's go ahead and I guess yeah, let's go ahead and measure our holes first. And real quick, we're gonna let in on some inside tip real quick. You know, say you gotta mark a hole, but you can't really see it. So what you're gonna do here is take your paint pen, dab some paint on the end of this, on the end of a bolt, stick the bolt through the hole that you can't see, touch the item that you're gonna actually need to put the hole on, and then the paint will be left when you remove it. See, that's tricks and tips. Y'all don't want to give away too many on the show, you know. But all right, we're gonna do that on that sheet of metal so we know where to tack our bolts, and we're gonna keep rolling. Man, little trick to the tip, you know, that dab, that's how you put it on the belly. And Steve, how'd you get that good bend on the back of the car to match? Yeah, that should, yep, that should be about right. Not bad for a little afternoon 20-minute garage project. Not bad. Should be pretty strong. Found it in. Tried to get the curvature right, you know. I don't know. We can see how that worked out. Not too bad. Looks all right. So I guess What's next? I guess what I was gonna do is I was gonna paint this, but probably doesn't make sense to paint this just yet. So I gotta get the engine in, get the turbo on, get the exhaust on, figure out where to cut the hole for this, because I want to make this hole like, you know, pretty perfect, because you're gonna see this hole on the back of the car. So we want to make sure that hole's pretty good. Yeah, so actually I was gonna paint this and then throw that in the video, but it's probably not gonna be worth it to paint this now. So we'll go ahead and toss the engine in, put the exhaust on, cut the hole out. What I found out too, my hole might be a little close. Like it's probably gonna be like right here somewhere. But hopefully the trunk should cover a little bit of this. I don't know. We'll trim it if it doesn't fit, or we'll just make another one because it was pretty cheap. But all right, guys, project is still rolling. Haven't done too much. Installed another fan, so we got 2 fans in here now. Yeah, we're still engineless, so we'll just keep rolling. Later.